we just got off work. It's Friday night. Gina's out of town with the girls. So, what are we gonna do? We can have a party. Let me flip you around here. I need to take the tractor bucket over here, start cleaning up all these rocks, start cleaning this area up so we can, maybe park a couple cars there or do something. Or do we want to do that this weekend? Got the U-joint bolts in for the Camaro. We get those on and do some more on that, maybe. We're definitely making some huge headways inside the shed, to the point where I think we're gonna be able to fit the Model A in there pretty soon. So, yeah. Or we got to finish this quarter panel, and then this, before we got sick, we were working on this. I think we need to wait till the Camaro's done so we can, pull it in here, so we're not out there in the gravel. So the other thing that leaves is the Chevelle. We got to finish the metal work. This had a big old rust hole in there, same as the other side. We did this side. Someone just kind of screwed a patch on here. We ground all the Bondo off, and this is what we found. I mean, we could fix this. We got a new Dutchman panel, but we definitely got window channel, and we got grinding to do up here, trunk channel. Or we could work on this, same as the other side. The rest of the sail looks great, except for right down here, there's a little pinhole and a couple little whammies right here. So, yeah, I'm thinking we're going to hit it first thing in the morning. I'm going to go in and get some dinner and kind of relax for the evening. And I'm thinking we're going to work on the Chevelle. And it's time, everybody's taking turns, and it's its turn. Go Beanage. We'll catch you in the morning. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. Next morning, definitely chilly, windy. It's not too bad. Not nice as it was yesterday, but I think we're going to concentrate on getting this little piece done. So we might just go in the house and build a fire and, watch some TV. So this is what I used on the other side. It's a piece of an air conditioning panel. And it's already got the beveled right here. And what I did was I smashed this, and it gave that little lip on here real nice. So I think we'll use this piece also. All right, that's totally oversized, but we'll work it down. Whew, the wind is whipping about 30-40 miles an hour. once again, we're just winging it here, but I think it's gonna work. So you can see that I think we need to cut half of this off right there, and then and I'll go right down in there. It's close. I think it'll work. Yep. Kind of goes like this and then down. Alright. Shoot, it's getting windier. It's looking pretty close right there. Let's trim this a little bit more, but I'm liking it. I'm liking it. All right. All right, we're in the shop. I'm gonna take a look at this Dutchman panel. And see what's up with it. I mean, I haven't even looked at it yet. This is the radiator support. Cool. This must be the Dutchman panel. All right, looks pretty good. Let's go see how it fits. Looks like it's gonna fit in there pretty nice. Yeah, that's gonna be sweet. We got our edge down here to line up pretty nice. I still need to make a little, kind of cup a little bit. It's flat and it needs to have a little bow to it. Top side's looking pretty good. Not too shabby. If you're, making a video, tip number one, don't stand between the camera and what you're working on, because people can't see. It's not as bad as I thought. Looks like there's a separate piece that goes right, you know, it's probably got like a little curl or a little flat. And it takes up the space from the underside of the window. We'll scrape a little bit. Looks like it's probably spot welded in there. We'll clean this out and treat all this stuff. Yep, we're getting there. I think it's supposed to be nicer tomorrow. I don't know. But you joint bolts. Hopefully they're the right ones. They look like they look like the right ones. Cool. One of these days we'll crawl underneath there and put those on. And we can start doing stuff. Alright. I cut a little bit out of it. I left this one piece right there just to kind of keep the distance right. And I kept this down here. And see, this is just, it just got a little slight J to it right there. A little bit of curve, which isn't bad. So I got a piece of scrap. I just kind of bent it a little bit with the hammer on the vise. And I don't know if you can see that. That fits in there real nice. And you can see down in the crevice. Anyways, yeah, we'll clean it up real good and then just tack that in. And I don't know if I'll make two pieces or just one long piece, maybe two pieces. You're not going to see that, so yeah, I think that'll work out well. Then we'll put our other piece. I think I still got it right here. Yeah, we'll stick that on. All right, I put a piece in right here, but there was a hole right up here. So I just put two pieces in there and brought that in there, and then just welded it right there. And then left this was all good down here, and it was holding it, so we just left that. But right here in this edge, we'll run a bead of seam sealer in there. I kind of tacked it in a couple places. Yeah, I think that'll work out well. We'll let that, and then I treated it, and then we'll let that dry up, and then we'll put our panel on. I think I need a new battery in my welding mask. It wasn't darkening as much as I think it should have, or at all. And so all I need to do is start welding and then go. All right. Yeah, we got the underside all sealed up, and we got our patch in here, and it's looking good. I think it's gonna work out nice. So let's get that tacked in. Drinking out of my pink Tuscadero cup this morning. Went from big old rust hole to totally fixed. Heck yeah. Digging it, digging it. Yeah, that turned out good. That turned out awesome, man. I'm really pleased the way that turned out. But we'll work our way around the car and get the other spots. There's a couple bottom of the quarter, the window channel. You know, we'll get it all. You know, I appreciate everybody watching. And, you know, we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks.